What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is a haul featuring pretty much every online store imaginable. I thought that I would share with you what I got, and I thought I would show you some of the new things that I'm really excited about. So, game on. First thing I got was from my husband. I'm gonna put this in his stocking. If your husband has a beard, any type of like facial hair, I guess this is like a beard grooming kit that I purchased off of Ulta, and it's got a wash, an oil, and a lube, and a little comb, and I thought that that would make stocking stuffer. I also just like got him, like underwear and stuff, which is usually my go-to stocking stuffer for underwear and socks. So this is gonna go in a stocking, and I think it's a really good gift. I think it was around like $35. Next thing that would make a really good gift is this Drunk Elephant Inspector Night Kit, and I have shown this in a Sephora haul, but I thought that I would re-show it in case anybody was interested in getting this. This makes a really good gift. You get a full size of the glycolic peel and then a bunch of sample sizes so you can just like test out Drunk Elephant. They're one of my favorite brands, and I thought that that would make that would actually make a really fun gift. This is from Elemis. This is their Cleanse and Glow kit, and this is actually really fun. Because it comes with a candle, but also their famous cleansing balm, which I'm obsessed with. Oh my gosh, how cute is this? Ooh, it smells good. So this is what it looks like. It comes with a cleansing balm and just like a washcloth, and then this candle, which I wonder what it smells like. Oh, you know what? That's awesome. It smells like their cleansing balm, which I love the smell of. Oh, that would make a really fun gift for your mom, for, I don't know, somebody special. So I loved the Byredo hair like perfume. I ended up getting the perfume because it's that amazing. So if you like soapy, fresh scents, this is gonna be right up your alley. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. It reminds me of my friend. I love it so much. Called Blanche or Blanc. I don't know how to pronounce it. I'm assuming it's Blanc, but I got this and it lasts all day. And another one that I've been wearing as of late and I'm obsessed with that I'm gonna purchase is this. One of you guys suggested this, the Cartier, oh, I'm not even gonna try to pronounce that. That is what it looks like, the Cartier whatever. I got 2 samples at Nordstrom, and this smells so good. This is a really fresh scent. Fresh, almost like powdery and like chocolatey. Is that weird? But that's what it smells like to me, like fresh chocolate. The next thing I thought would be a really great stocking stuffer is this Get Cheeky Clinique kit. It's $29.50, and you get 3 full-size nude blushes. Blushes are my favorite, and I think they're supposed to come out with like new colors, and I can't wait. These are so nice. So you have like a bunch of different colors: pink honey, black honey, nude pop. So I know this is the nude one size. That's black honey and that's pink honey. That's not gonna like make you excited at all by those swatches, but it is really pretty and pigmented. This is a nude. That is like a more colorful nude, and then that's just like a pink nude. It really is a good kit. I do recommend it. I got that for myself because why not? Let's talk about Lisa Eldridge because, oh, these lipsticks are everything. Her lipsticks are phenomenal. I'm wearing one right now. I'm wearing Velvet Morning. So she came out with 3 lipsticks and I purchased 2. So Velvet Morning is what I'm wearing now. It's just a bright, I mean, it can't get any more velvety, smooth, amazing than this. And even like the lipsticks look like velvet. And then I got Velvet Ribbon. I mean, it literally looks like velvet. I don't know how she did that. I don't think that you can even really get a good grip on how gorgeous it is. If you see it in person, it looks like you would be rubbing back on like a velvet pants. That's what it looks like, and expect anything less from her. Okay, so this is Velvet Ribbon and that is Velvet Morning. Really, this is more orangey, a little bit more on the cool side of things, but definitely just as gorgeous. Next lip product I got was from Bite, and this is part of their astrology line, and I got Sagittarius. And I really like it because it's so Barbie porn star pink. Maybe not porn star. Ooh, it smells like lemon. Literally can't wait to wear that. That is like the perfect hot pink. From the Perfect Lipsticks, because Bite has it going on. Melt Cosmetics. Gosh, Melt knows exactly how to get people to buy shit, because anything with like marijuana, I mean, like, who's not gonna like jump all over that? This is called Smoke Sessions. Smoke Sessions? Yes. That is what it looks like. Ooh, how gorgeous these are. These are all really fun green colors. Granddaddy Purple, it's one of my favorite indicas. Black Widow, love that one. Sour Diesel. I mean, this is like freaking legit. These are like fancy neutral, but they're not neutral. They're just more like on the green side. I don't know. I really like that. Look how gorgeous. Gorgeous shades. I mean, that would be such a pretty pop of color. If you guys want to see a look with this when I'm really high, I'll do that for you. From the collection, I just wanted to get one of these lip products, and I actually got the darkest one, which is really weird for me, but I didn't care for any of the other shades. And this is called Velvet Room. This is just a super dark color, like almost black, but it's like a long wearing. Are these long wearing? I don't know, but it's more like a velvety type liquid lip. It's not completely matte. A little scared, I'm not gonna lie, because it's super dark and glossy, and I don't like dark and glossy, but we will see about it. And then these were on sale, and I really wanted to try their blushes for so long, and I got Honey Thief. I think this one is the lightest shade, and it's so gorgeous. And the pigmentation is, oh, it's like just a really light peachy color. Super light. Would definitely recommend the Honey Thief. It's like butter. It's very soft and smooth. Two things from Charlotte Tilbury. I got the Lip Cheat and Super Size Me. I saw my friend Lisa D1. I think she did a tutorial on it, or she hauled it. And I love these lip cheats, and so I wanted to get it because it's a really pretty mauvey nude. So that is Super Size Me. I guess that's like what the Victoria's Secret models wore. I hope maybe it turns me into one. And then I also got the Beauty Light Wand. I like this. I'm actually wearing this today, and I think it's a really pretty glowy highlighter. So it's very glowy. It's really youthful looking. The problem is I feel like there's not a lot of product in here. I kind of feel like once I use it twice, it'll be all used up. I mean, it just feels empty to me, and then it bums me out because it wasn't cheap. So let me know what you guys think about that, and if there is a lot of product or just a little bit goes a long way. But I do think it gives a really nice glow to the face. I also got this Cranberry palette from Natasha Denona. I had to test it out. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh, no wonder. These are gorgeous. She really knows how to do her palettes, I have to say. Really buttery. I just did a very light, like this coppery one has some really cool dimension. And then this is really pretty, really pretty. And how it's kind of color than her rest, probably because it's limited edition, and I hate that. I hate when it's limited edition. But this thing, I have to tell you guys the last thing I got, which this is called the Rifa. Have you guys ever tried this before or heard of it? But it's supposed to be good for tightening and for basically tightening your face. Cool, it kind of looks like a sex toy. And I want to test it out and see if it really makes a difference in lifting and firming the neck and the face. There is a whole video on this that I need to read up on, but I ask you guys if you've used it, if it works. It looks pretty legit, and I tried it a little bit. It does grab and like pull, which is nice. I've got makeup on, but when you roll it back and forth, it does like grab the skin and kind of pull. So it feels like a nice massage for the skin. So I was really impressed with this, but I definitely just want to see what you guys think and if it's worth keeping. Do you have to use this like every single day for like 10 years to see a result? Because you just never know with these products. That is all for new makeup that I'm loving. So let me know what you guys want to see next. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.